Wait, don't skip this video.
What if learning English could actually be fun?
In the next few minutes, you'll hear real English tablet from very easy to very advanced, A1 to C2. No boring rules, no grammar stress, just two girls, real conversations, real life English. If you want to speak English confidently, this video is for you. From a fluent English, let's talk. Hey, did you finish that book I lent you? Yeah, it was really interesting. Great, we should discuss it more. Hi, I'm Anna. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from? I'm USA. And you?
I'm from Canada.
Nice to meet you. What do you like to do?
I like reading books.
Cool. I like drawing.
Oh, I love drawing too.
I'm hungry. What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Me too. Shall we eat pizza today?
Yes, let's go.
Yes, it's very nice. It's sunny today.
Yes, I love them.
Do you like sunny days? Do you have any brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one brother.
Oh, I have two sisters.
That's nice.
Do you have...
What's your favorite subject?
I like English.
Math is difficult for me.
Really?
I like math. Useful expression. My favorite subject is.
Can you help me with homework?
Sure. What's the problem?
I don't understand this question.
Don't worry, I can explain.
Can you help me?
Of course.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat. I love cats. What's its name?
Her name is Luna. It's $10. How much is this dress?
How much is this?
That's cheap.
I will buy it.
Good choice. What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Oh, I'm late for class.
Let's go together.
What time is it?
What are you doing this weekend?
I will visit my grandmother.
Sounds nice. I will go to the park.
Have fun. What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
I love pink.
Pink is pretty.
My favorite color is...
What do you do every morning? I brush my teeth and eat breakfast. I go jogging first.
That's healthy.
Every morning, Yes, I love volleyball. I play football.
That's cool.
Do you like?
What's your favorite movie?
I like Frozen.
I love Harry Potter.
Let's watch that together.
I think yes.
Will it rain this weekend? Then we can stay home and watch movies.
Great idea.
Will it then? Do you like learning English?
Yes, but it's sometimes hard.
Don't worry, we can practice together.
That's great, thank you. When is your birthday? It's on May 10th. Wow, mine is May 12th. Almost the same. When is your birthday? Excuse me, where's the library? Go straight and turn left. Thank you. You're welcome. Excuse me, where is... What kind of music do you like? I like pop music. Me too. Who is your favorite singer? Ariana Grande. What time do you usually wake up? I wake up at 7 o'clock. Oh, I wake up at 6 and go jogging. That's impressive. I'm too sleepy for jogging. What do you like to do on weekends? I usually watch movies and listen to music. Cool. I like to go hiking. Wow, hiking sounds fun. I usually... Right. How was your English class today? It was good, but a little difficult. Yes, she explains everything clearly. Really? I loved it. The teacher is very kind. It was a little difficult. Do you want to go shopping this Saturday? Sure. What time?
What kind of music do you listen to these days? I listen to a lot of pop and some jazz. That's interesting. I prefer rock music. Rock is great too. Maybe we can share playlists. Did you watch any good movies recently? Yes, I watched The Lion King. Oh, I love that movie. Was it as good as the original? Yes, it was amazing. Have you ever been to another country? Yes, I went to Turkey last summer. Wow, how was it? Beautiful. The food, the places, everything was amazing. Have you ever? What do you want to do after school? I want to become a teacher. That's great. I want to travel the world. Oh, I would love that too. What do you think about online classes? I think they are convenient, but sometimes boring. I agree. I prefer studying in school. What do you think about FIT? I started painting recently. Really? That's amazing. What do you paint? Mostly landscapes and animals. I would love to see your paintings. I started painting them a few years ago. I bought a new dress yesterday. Nice. How much was it? Only $20. It was on sale. Wow, what a good deal. I forgot my homework today. Oh no. Did the teacher notice? Yes, she asked me, but I explained. I hope it's okay. I forgot. Do you play any sports? Yes, I play volleyball and then badminton. That's cool. I play football. Maybe we can play together one day. I'm reading a new book. Really? What's it about? It's about adventure and friendship. Sounds exciting. I want to read it too. Do you use social media a lot? Yes, I use Instagram and TikTok. Same here. I love watching short videos. Me too. It's fun and relaxing. Same here. I love watching short videos. Me too. It's fun and relaxing. Thought is really hard for me. Don't worry, I can teach you.
Useful expression. Can you help me?
I usually wake up at 7 and drink coffee. I prefer tea in the morning. Coffee wakes me up faster. Haha, I see. Useful expression. I usually... What are you doing this Saturday? I will go to a park with my family. That's nice. I'm planning a picnic with friends. Sounds fun. I love Italian food. Me too. There's a great restaurant nearby. Really? Let's go there this weekend. Yes, can't wait.
Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Subscribe for more English.
Like this video of Deb. Comment your 2026 goals. Share with friends. Learn together. English is a journey. Enjoy the journey. See you soon. Bye bye.